To input SIM card into the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is just grab your phone, and on the left side of this phone right here you can find the SIM tray, and you'll have to eject it. You'll have to open this one up to input the SIM card inside. So you can do this with this SIM tool, which comes included with your phone, but I will actually do this with this paper clip. It actually doesn't matter, you simply have to open this one. So let's insert this pin into the pinhole right here. Push all the way in until you feel the resistance, and after that push hardly to eject the SIM tray from your phone. Now you are able to grab it with your nails, and even though if you have short nails, there's no problem with grabbing it and get it out of here. And as you can see, here we have our SIM tray, and let me put this phone back on its place, and here we have two SIM cards. As you can see, two SIM slots actually, and as you take a closer look, here you can find that this left SIM slot is SIM number 1 and the second slot is SIM number 2. So if you're only inputting one SIM card, you will go for this left slot for the SIM number 1. Simply grab this SIM card, and as you can see, it has the slot has a perfect shape. The SIM card goes only one way into this SIM tray, just like this. And yeah, as this SIM tray with this SIM card is facing this way, there's also a little text saying face to screen. So with this side facing to screen, insert your SIM tray with the SIM card back into your phone. So now let's grab this phone with this side facing upwards and simply put it in carefully inside this phone. And now make sure that it is all the way in. As you can see, everything is fine, and that's how you can input the SIM card into the Realme C71.